Hey guys, this is Sid.Brant. I'm back here with another video. This one's gonna be on this 2013 Ford Fusion. So I hear this is a pretty common problem with these. I'll turn the car to the on position. Turn that fan down. Jeez. And this volume. Alright, so the windows are usually automatic. So you got your two switches right here. I'm gonna hit the down button. And usually you just click it once and the window automatically rolls down. There's my hand. And then you're supposed to be able to click it up and the window automatically goes up. As you can see, I'm clicking it up, but it only goes up when you hold it. And it's the same with that passenger side and this driver side. I can do the automatic down by just pressing the button, but whenever I try to do the automatic up, it won't go up like that. And it's only these front two windows. If I do the auto down for the back window, I'm not hitting it, it's still going down. And I can do the auto up, not hitting it. Yeah. And the same with this one. Auto down, I'm not hitting the button. Auto up, click it once, and it's auto up. Alright, so the way that we fix this problem is by holding this button down whenever we push down for the window. So we're gonna do the passenger side first. So we're just gonna push this button and we're gonna keep holding it. And even after the window gets down there, keep holding it for 3 seconds. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and let it go. And now we're gonna wind it up. We're gonna hold it up for 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Alright, now let's see if it works. Auto down. Let's try auto up. Bam, auto up. My hand's right here. Alright, now let's do the driver's side. Down. Keep holding it. After it gets down. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Alright. Now up. Keep holding it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Alright, let's push down. Auto down. And let's do up. Auto up. Alright. I heard this is a pretty common problem with these Ford Fusions, and I believe Ford vehicles in general, with the auto up, auto down window feature. So if you're having this problem, give that a shot and see if it can, fix your problem. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.